Let me show you how to fix no internet connection error on Roblox. Now, if you're on Roblox and you're trying to play a game, but it says there's no internet, even though your phone or computer has internet, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you're going to do is if the Roblox app is currently open, let's just close out of it on your iPhone or Android, and let's make sure your internet is working and it's not an issue with Roblox itself. So swipe down from the top right. And now from here, we're going to toggle airplane mode on. You'll see this disconnects from your Wi-Fi in addition to your cell network. And by doing that process, we'll just turn it back off and reconnect to both of those. A lot of times that fixes your internet if it was an internet issue. And then you can just open up the Roblox app and see if it works or if you're still getting the no internet connection error. Now, if you're still getting that error, let's head into the settings app on your iPhone or Android. We're going to check a couple things. Let's scroll down, tap on General, and then scroll down to the bottom and VPN and device management. If you have a VPN turned on, sometimes that can cause issues with your connection. So just toggle VPN off if you have it on. However, if you don't have that, or if it's already turned off, let's go back out of here and go to date and time. And make sure the date and time is set automatically for your iPhone and Android. If it's set to turned off and it's set at a different date and time than it currently is, that will mess up your Roblox app. So make sure to turn this on so that it sets it automatically. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is going back out of here, hopping out of your general settings and opening up a web browser instead. Let's check to see if there's an issue with Roblox. So we're going to just type in, is Roblox down? After we've done that, let's go to down detector and see if there's a spike in reported outages. You can see around 8 p.m. last night, there was a spike in reported outages. If there currently is a big spike, then essentially it's not an issue with your phone or computer. It's an issue with Roblox, and you just need to wait until it's back up and running. However, if that looks good, the next thing that we can do is go back into the settings app on your iPhone or Android, and we're going to find that Roblox app. So let's tap on General and iPhone Storage. Let's just check to see where Roblox is on here, and we can do a couple different things. We can offload the app and then reinstall it if you're on iPhone, or if you're on an Android phone, all you're going to do is clear the cache and clear the storage for the app. Essentially, by going through this process, it force updates it to the latest version, but it also clears all the cache and temporary files for that app. So you'll be able to open it up and it should be working normally at that point.